Hi, this is Ann Peterson. I currently teach high school English in North Carolina. Today I'd like to talk to you about a lesson regarding allusions, an allusion workshop in your classroom. Specifically, the allusions that I've put together today relate to Romeo and Juliet. As you are aware, there are a number of very powerful allusions included in the first two acts of Romeo and Juliet. In this case, I would divide my class into groups of approximately 3 or 4. There are 4 components of the allusion workshop. The first one is the students must include an image that relates to the allusion they have been assigned. The second one is students must write a brief summary explaining the allusion. And a way that you might be able to extend this in your classroom would be for students to annotate the image. Thirdly, write a brief explanation regarding the way the allusion is used in Romeo and Juliet, citing specific text. And finally, reflect on the way your allusion might be employed in another literary work. These are the 10 allusions that I've been able to pull from Romeo and Juliet, Acts 1 and 2, most predominantly 2. I'd like for you to think about assigning these to groups, and I'd like for you to also note, please, that some of these allusions have the word Luna beside them. Let me explain. Okay, so let's take a look at the Folger Luna site. Oops. The Folger Luna site is a digital image catalog that is here as a resource that both you and your students can use. You can also register to lift images from this site, and you'll see here that here is the Dido image that I used in the original images that I shared as a part of this. And finally, the last thing I'd like to share with you is the Folger digital text, which are also available online. And you can go here to the main site. You'll find that all of Shakespeare's dramas have been placed here, available free of charge for all of us to use. So I know that I'm going to go with Romeo and Juliet. I know that's what I'm working on. And one thing your students can do now is they can, if they know they have Dido, again, let's work with that, they can then search this text, and the text will pull up where the place where the allusion exists. So you know, then your students know they can go to Act 2, Scene 4, line 39 to find Dido, a dowdy, and therefore they can read everything in context. They can do some careful, close reading and hopefully be able to determine what that allusion is about. The other thing that's important to know over here is contents. They can also go to Act 2, Scene 4, and they can pull right on down to, again, line 39. And there we have Dido a dowdy. I hope this works for you, and I hope that your students enjoy this activity. Please feel free to let me know if you have any insights or suggestions to make it better. Thank you.